today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 9. The name of the lesson is Light and Color. At page number 114 we have choose the correct option. Number 1, we can see objects because they. The answer is reflect light. Number 2, the phenomena in which light is split into its components when it passes through the prism is called dispersion. Number 3, Aisha stands 5 meters away from a large plane mirror. How far must she walk to be 4 meters away from her image? The answer is 3 meters. Number 4, if an angle between the incident ray and reflected ray is 90 degrees, then the angle of reflection is 45 degrees. Number 5, the color of an object is the color it. The answer is reflects. Number 6, the reason we can read print from any direction is that letters emit black light in all directions. Number 7, in figure, a red beam of light is allowed to fall on mirror. A protector is placed with the mirror. What is the angle of reflection? The answer is 55 degrees. Number 8, the figure shows the mirror image of the clock. Correct time is. The answer is 2:35. Number 9, the image created by plane mirror is. The answer is all of these. Number 10, in figure, a green dot is viewed through mirror. At which of the points will the observer see the image in the plane mirror of the object? The answer is point C. At page number 115, we have true and false, and we have to correct the statement if it is false. Number 1, only mirrors and other shiny surfaces reflect light. ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. नंबर 2, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. इस स्टेटमेंट में रिफ्लेक्टेड रे नहीं आएगा, बल्कि इसकी जगह नॉर्मल आएगा. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल. Number 3, an image that forms at a location from which light rays appear to come but do not actually come is called real image. यहाँ real image की जगह virtual image आएगा. Number 4, when you look at the image of a candle in a plane mirror, you see a real image. यहाँ पर real image की जगह virtual image आएगा. Number 5 पे जो statement है वो correct है. स्टूडेंट्स पेज नंबर 116 पे हमारे पास शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं 1 से लेके 5 तक. आइए इनको सॉल्व करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एज लाइट ट्रेवल्स एंड रीचेज अ न्यू मटेरियल इट कैन बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड, रिफ्लेक्टेड और ट्रांसमिटेड. डिफाइन वन ऑफ दीज टर्म्स, एब्जॉर्ब्ड, रिफ्लेक्टेड और ट्रांसमिटेड, एंड देन डिस्क्राइब एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वुड मेक लाइट बिहेव इन दैट वे. आंसर, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. व्हेन लाइट स्ट्राइक एन ऑब्जेक्ट इट कैन बाउंस बैक. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. For example, when light strike on a mirror, it bounces back and reflected in some other direction. Question number 2, how do we see ordinary non-luminous objects? Answer, ordinary and non-luminous objects can be seen only when they reflect the light of others. For example, moon is non-luminous and shines when it reflects the sunlight. Question number 3, differentiate between real and virtual image. Real image, it can be taken on screen. These are inverted. They form in front of mirror. Virtual image, it cannot be taken on screen. These are erect. They form behind the mirror. Question number 4. What color will a green plant look like under a red light? Answer, it will appear totally black. Green plant will absorb red light and you will practically see nothing. Question number 5, how is light reflected from rough surfaces? Answer, rough surfaces reflect light in many directions because law of reflection applies to each ray. For example, light from papers and wood will be reflected in many directions. Students, हमारे पास इसके बाद 3 long questions दिए हुए हैं. आइए इनको नोट करते हैं. State the laws of reflection. Answer, first law, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Second law, angle of reflection R equals to the angle of incidence I. Question number 2, discuss how a plane mirror forms a virtual image. Answer, When we look into plane mirror, we see the image with following properties. Number 1, image is upright. Number 2, image is of same size. Number 3, image is behind the mirror. These properties shows that plane mirror forms a virtual image. Question number 3. What is white light? How is the color of an object related to the reflection and absorption of light? Answer. Complete mixture of all visible lights, all colors is called white light. The color of an object is determined by the colors it absorbs or reflects. For example, if an object absorbs all colors, it is seen as black. If an object reflects red light, then it appears as red color. Students, at page number 116, we have the constructed response questions. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमारे पास एक इनकम्प्लीट डायग्राम दी हुई है. पहले हम क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं फिर इसे बनाते हैं. A series of mirrors and the straight point for a light beam is shown in the figure. Draw the path of light. इसमें हमने path of light शो करना है, यानी रोशनी किस तरह से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल करती है. जो मिरर्स दिए हुए हैं उनके मुताबिक हम इसको शो करेंगे. इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और नॉर्मल को बताना है. सबसे पहले बीम ऑफ लाइट जो है वो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी इसमें ड्रॉ की हुई है. इसके बाद जब ये नेक्स्ट मिरर से टकराती है तो उसके बाद ये दूसरे वाले मिरर में जाएगी, वहाँ से ये ट्रैवल करके नीचे वाले मिरर में आ रही है. इसी तरह से आपने इसको ड्रॉ कर लेना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Kurotalen is wearing special glasses with changing colored filters as shown in the figure. She uses the red filter to look at a lamp that gives white light but the lamp appears red. Explain how this is possible. इसका आंसर है the red filter allows only red color of light to pass through it. The remaining colors of white light are absorbed, so the lamp appears to be of red color. B questions. Now she looks at red light lamp with red filter on her glasses. What color will the lamp appear to her? Why? Answer. The red filter allows red light, so lamp will appear red. C. Finally, she uses a red filter to see green light lamp. What color will the lamp appear to her? Explain. The answer is black. Question number 3. A light bulb is set in the middle of a room and turned on. In the diagram below, the rectangle represents the walls of the room and the yellow dot represents the position of the bulb. Where in the room would it be possible to direct light from the bulb? Mark these positions in the diagram. मैंने इसकी पोजीशंस जो हैं वो डायग्राम में मेंशन कर दी हैं और इसका आंसर आपने लिखना है फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर इन द रूम. B. A box with a small hole in the side is placed over the bulb. Draw in the diagram where you would need to stand in order to see light from the bulb. Why the light in other parts of the room is also noticed. Explain. इसका आंसर है only at point A because light travels in straight line. In the diagram C above, a box with a small hole in the side is placed over the bulb and a mirror is placed in front of it at certain angle. Draw in the diagram where you would need to stand in order to see light from the bulb. The answer is light is detected at every places in the room due to reflection. Students, I hope आपने यूनिट नंबर 9 की एक्सरसाइज को अपने पास नोट कर लिया होगा. अगर आपको कोई भी स्टडी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी लिखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें सो दैट जब नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड हो तो आपके पास उसका नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.